There are very few companies that have changed the PC fan market quite like the Lian Li. Ever since the original UNI FAN launched, they've consistently pushed the idea that fans should be easier to install, cleaner to cable manage, and look just as premium as the rest of the high-end build. So we've seen the SL series, AL series, Infinity fans, TL wireless, LCD variants, and now Lian Li is taking another step forward with the new Flex platform. You can say that they are flexing at this point, but jokes aside, today we are looking at the UNI FAN TL Flex and the UNI FAN SL Infinity Flex. At first glance they might look familiar, but underneath they're built around entirely new ecosystem that focuses on flexibility. Instead of forcing users into one control method, these fans can work wirelessly through the L-Wireless controller directly from the motherboard using PWM and ARGB, or through the L-Connect depending on how you want to build your system. So let's see what they're all about, what's actually new here, and whether they're worth upgrading to. So if you used any recent Lian Li fans, you'll instantly recognize the design language here. Premium materials, clean edges, excellent build quality, and a signature interlocking system that dramatically reduces cable clutter. Both fans share the same overall dimensions of 120 by 124 by 28 mm, making them slightly thicker than a traditional 25 mm fan. That extra thickness isn't there just for looks, it allows Lian Li to optimize airflow while keeping the frame extremely rigid. The biggest visual difference comes down to what each fan is designed to achieve. The TL Flex is clearly the performance-focused one. It has a much cleaner appearance with subtle RGB accents around the frame instead of flooding the entire fan blade with lighting. Personally, I like this approach because it looks more mature and fits workstation builds just as well as gaming builds. The SL Infinity Flex, on the other hand, is all about aesthetics. You still get the famous infinity mirror effect in the center on the one side as well, and the boxy thing on the other side, so you can choose your look. But now it's combined with multiple independently controlled RGB zones around the frame and side edges. So this gives it an even richer lighting presentation than the previous generations. Both are available in black and white along with standard and reverse blade versions, which means you no longer have to sacrifice aesthetics just because you want intake fans with a clean side facing the glass panel. That's something builders always been asking for years now. So both variants are also available with LCD screens as well. And this is really where these fans separate themselves from previous UNI FAN generations. Rather than relying on one dedicated controller, the Flex platform gives you 3 different ways to run your fans. So if you like using L-Connect, you can continue doing exactly that using the L-Wireless controller. And if you're someone who prefers motherboard software like the Asus AuraSync, MSI Mystic Light, or the Gigabyte RGB Fusion, you can simply connect the included optional ARGB cable and control your lighting directly through the motherboard software. And if you don't want another piece of software controlling fan speeds, PWM control works perfectly through your BIOS or third-party fan control software now as well. So it's a surprisingly smart approach because it gives users the freedom to decide how much or how little they want to rely on the Lian Li ecosystem. Another nice touch is that the L-Wireless controller isn't limited to just these fans. It now works across multiple newer Lian Li products, including compatible AIOs, streamer wireless cables, and newer cases as well, so making it much more easier to build an entire system around just one wireless ecosystem instead of juggling multiple controllers. Although these fans share the same platform, they're aimed at completely different buyers. The TL Flex is designed primarily for performance, so it uses the LCP fan blades with an incredibly tight 0.6mm blade to frame clearance, fluid dynamic bearings, copper shieldings, and spins up to 2600 RPM. Those specifications translate into the impressive 90.1 CFM of airflow with nearly 4mm of H2O static pressure. Those are actually serious numbers here, putting the TL Flex comfortably into the high performance territory. So whether you are cooling a dense radiator, pushing air through restrictive front panels, or simply building a system that actually prioritizes thermal performance, this is the fan I'd choose. The SL-Infinity Flex takes a different approach completely. Its maximum airflow is lower at 67 CFM with 3.4mm H2 of static pressure, but that's because it's balancing cooling performance with much more elaborate RGB implementation. So in other words, if your build is meant to be showcased behind tempered glass, the SL-Infinity Flex is likely the one you'll gravitate toward. Fortunately, neither fan feels like a compromise. They're simply optimized for different priorities. One thing I always appreciated about UNI FAN products is how quickly an entire system comes together. So instead of routing individual PWM and RGB cables for every fan, the interlocking mechanism allows several fans to connect together in a cluster while requiring only a single cable per cluster. The new thing here also is this little plate that allows you to connect to connect cable on either end of the fan. So if the cable exits on the top for some reason or side that you don't want, you can use this little piece to reroute the cable to the other side of the fan or fan cluster. So it's a little thing but matters the most when you're building. The new Flex receiver is compact and easy to install, and because the platform now supports multiple control methods, you aren't locked into one setup from day one. So if your preference changed later, your fan setup can evolve without replacing the hardware itself. The L-Connect 3 continues to mature with every release. You still get complete fan curve customization, RGB synchronization, monitoring, and profile management as well. But the software now fits much better into the broader L wireless ecosystem. And if you're buying the LCD versions of these fans, there are even more customization options available, but for the standard TL Flex and SL-Infinity Flex models, the software remains simple and easy to navigate. I also appreciate that Lian Li isn't forcing users into the L-Connect anymore, so if you already have a motherboard ecosystem that you like, or software that you like to control everything, these fans integrate nicely without making you run multiple applications just to control lighting or speed. And that flexibility is honestly one of the biggest improvements in this generation. What I can say now is that they have added a bunch of new predefined themes. You can also change text on some of them, plus you can select which sensors are used from the motherboard for various sensor readouts, of course. Again, software is maturing well, bugs are being fixed and so on, and I'm just glad that Lian Li is actively working on it. Although RGB often gets most of the attention here, cooling performance isn't ultimately what matters. The TL Flex is clearly the standout performer. Its higher airflow, stronger static pressure, and faster maximum RPM makes it an excellent option for CPU radiators, AIOs, and airflow-focused cases. The LCP blades also help maintain efficiency while reducing flex at higher RPMs, which contributes to more consistent performance. It has been featured on the curved OLED AIO. I already reviewed it, and it proves that performance is at its core. The SL-Infinity Flex isn't trying to compete directly with that. Instead, it delivers more than enough airflow for virtually every modern gaming PC while providing some of the most attractive RGB lighting available today. Noise levels are also reasonable considering the available performance from these fans, and both fans include the 0 RPM functionality, allowing them to completely stop under light system loads for silent operations. As for the pros and cons, for the TL Flex, the excellent airflow is there and static pressure, LCP blades gives the maximum efficiency here, premium build quality, standard and reverse blade available as well. LCD variants also, you have the flexible control options, you have the clean management here as well. As for the SL-Infinity Flex, they are outstanding with the RGB implementation, with the infinity mirror designs, which remains one of the best looking on the market, and they have the same excellent UNI FAN installation system with multiple synchronization methods. They are a great balance between cooling and aesthetics. The only real downside here is actually the price. Like every premium UNI FAN generation before those fans, they aren't budget fans. So if you're building an entry-level system, there are certainly cheaper alternatives that will move air just fine. Also because the Flex ecosystem introduces different receiver types for LCD and non-LCD models, it's important to make sure you're using the correct receiver for your specific fan configuration. So the verdict here is that Lian Li didn't reinvent the UNI FAN concept with their Flex series now, they just refined it. The biggest improvement isn't necessarily brighter RGB or dramatically higher airflow, it's giving builders freedom. You can control everything wirelessly, use motherboard software, rely entirely on BIOS fan curves, or combine different methods depending on your setup. That's exactly the kind of flexibility enthusiasts have been asking for. So if your priority is absolute cooling performance, the TL Flex is easily the better choice here. It has the specifications to compete with some of the best performance fans currently available on the market while still looking fantastic. If your dream build is centered around aesthetics, the SL-INF Flex continues Lian Li's tradition of producing some of the most beautiful RGB fans on the market without sacrificing cooling performance in return. So no matter whichever direction you choose, you're getting excellent build quality, you're getting simplified installation, clean cable management, and an ecosystem that's becoming smarter with every new release. For me, that actually makes the UNI FAN Flex series another solid addition to the Lian Li's growing lineup. So that's it, guys. Hope you liked the video, sub to the channel, like and share the video, and I'll see you in another one.